Hello everybody, in this question we are given a particle undergoes a constant acceleration of 2I minus 3j meter per second square. After 4 seconds it has a velocity of 10I minus 4j meter per second. If it was initially at the point with position vector I plus 5j meters, we need to work out its position at the end of the period. So to start with, let me write down the given facts. So I could say that the acceleration A, so A is the acceleration, and that is equal to 2I minus 3j meter per second square, and then I have been given the velocity. This is after 4 seconds it has a velocity, so that is probably the final velocity. So V is equal to 10I minus 4j meter per second, and we have t is 4 seconds, and u, we don't know what u is. Okay, so this is the position, but that's a distance. Okay, so we will come to that later. So now I need to find out u, so I will use one of the standard formulas. So that is v, the final velocity, is u, initial velocity, plus at. So v I know, so therefore u, so let me write down. So v minus at is equal to u. So I can write u is equal to v is given to me 10I minus 4j minus a is 2I minus 3j multiplied by t, that's the time, that's 4. That is 10I minus 4j minus 8I plus 12j. So that equals 10 minus 8, that's 2I, and plus 8j. That is u. So this is meter per second. So now that we've got u and we need to find the position, so here that means we need to find out what the distance traveled is. So the distance is going to be, again, once again, we need to use another formula. So S is ut plus half at square. So we have all these values. So I'm going to say that therefore S is equal to ut. So u I just found out, 2I plus 8j multiplied by the time, that's 4, plus half times a, which is 2I minus 3j multiplied by 4 square, it's t square. So that is equal to 8I plus 32j plus, that's 16 over 2, that's 8, times 2I minus 3j. So that is equal to 8 plus 8 times 2 is 16, that's I, and plus 32 minus 24j. So that is equal to 24I plus 8j. And this is meter. Yes. So what we need to find is the position at the end. So the position is going to be, we need to add initial in the final one. So our position is going to be answer position so position at the end of the period So that would be, I need to add the two vectors 24i plus 8j plus I plus 5j. And that is equal to 25i plus 13j beta. And that is the answer.